Candlestick patterns are used to predict the future direction of price movement. Discover 16 of the most common candlestick patterns and how you can use them to identify trading opportunities. A candlestick is a way of displaying information about an asset's price movement. Candlestick charts are one of the most popular components of technical analysis, enabling traders to interpret price information quickly and from just a few price bars. This video focuses on a daily chart wherein each candlestick details a single day's trading. It has three basic features: the body, which represents the open to close range, the wick or shadow that indicates the intraday high and low, the color, which reveals the direction of market movement, a green or white body indicates a price increase, while a red or black body shows a price decrease. Over time, individual candlestick forms patterns that traders can use to recognize major support and resistance levels. There are a great many candlestick patterns that indicate an opportunity within a market. Some provide insight into the balance between buying and selling pressures, while others identify continuation patterns or market indecisions. Before you start trading, it is important to familiarize yourself with the basic of candlestick patterns and how they can inform your decisions. Practice reading candlestick patterns. The best way to learn to read candlestick pattern is to practice entering and exiting trades from the signals they give. You can develop your skills in a risk-free environment by opening a demo account, or if you feel confident enough to start trading, you can open a live account today. While using any candlestick pattern, it is important to remember that although they are great for quick predicting trends, they should be used alongside other forms of technical analysis to confirm the overall trend. Bullish patterns may form after a market downtrend and signal a reversal of price movement. They are an indicator for traders to consider opening a long position to profit from any upward trajectory. The candlestick marked on the screen is the hammer candlestick pattern, which is formed of a short body with a long lower wick and is found at the bottom of a downward trend. The hammer shows that although there were selling pressures during the day, ultimately a strong buying pressure drove the price back up. The color of the body can vary, but green hammers indicate a stronger bull market than red hammers. Okay, now the candlestick marked on the screen is an inverse hammer. A similarly bullish pattern is the inverted hammer, the only difference being that the upper wick is long while the lower wick is short. It indicates a buying pressure followed by the selling pressure that was not strong enough to drive the market price down. The inverse hammer suggests that buyers will soon have control of the market. Okay, now coming to the next candlestick, it is bullish engulf. The bullish engulf pattern is formed of two candlesticks. The first candle is a short red body that is completely engulfed by a large green candle. Though the second day opens lower than the first, the bullish market pushes the price up, culminating in an obvious win for the buyers. This candlestick on the screen is now piercing line. The piercing line is also a two-stake pattern made up of a long red candle followed by a long green candle. There is usually a significant gap down between the first candle's closing price and the green candle's opening. It indicates a strong buying pressure as the price is pushed up to or above the mid price of the previous day. Now coming to this candlestick, it is in Morning Star. The Morning Star candlestick pattern is considered a sight of hope in a bleak market downtrend. It is a 3-stick pattern, one body, short body candle between a long red and a long green. Traditionally, the star will have no overlap with the longer bodies as the market gaps both on open and close. It signals that the selling pressure of the first day is subsiding and a bull market is on the horizon. Now this candlestick is a 3 white soldiers. The 3 white soldiers pattern occurs over 3 days. It consists of consecutively long green or white candles with small wicks which open and close progressively higher than the previous day. It is very strong bullish signals that occur after a downtrend and shows a steady advantage of buying pressure. Now coming to the next segment of the video, it is 6 bearish candlestick patterns. And before discussing the topic, I want to say that if you're liking the video, please press the bell icon and do comment, and you can subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. So let me continue. 6 bearish candlestick patterns. Bearish candlestick patterns usually form after an uptrend and signals a point of resistance. Heavy permission about the market price often causes traders to close their long position and open a short position to take advantage of the falling price. Now coming to the bearish candlestick pattern, this candlestick is a hanging man. The hanging man is the bearish equivalent of a hammer. It has the same shape but forms at the end of an uptrend. It indicates that there was a significant sell-off during the day, but that buyers were unable to push the price up again. The large sell-off is often seen as an indication that the bulls are losing control of the market. Now this particular candlestick is known as shooting star. It looks same like an inverted hammer but is formed in an uptrend. It has a small lower body and a long upper wick. Usually the market will gap slightly higher on opening and rally to an intraday high before closing at a price just above the opening, like a star falling to the ground. Now this is an bearish engulf. A bearish engulf pattern occurs at the end of an uptrend. The first candle has a small green body and that is engulfed by a subsequently long red candle. It signifies a peak or slowdown of price movement and is a sign of an independent market downturn. The lower the second candle goes, the more significant the trend is likely to be. Now this particular candlestick is an evening star. The evening star is a 3 candlestick pattern that is the equivalent of bullish morning star. It is formed of a short candle sandwiching between a long green candle and a large red candlestick. It indicates the reversal of an uptrend and is particularly strong when third candle erases the gain of the first candle. Now this particular candlestick is 3 black crows. The 3 black crows candlestick pattern comprises of 3 consecutive red candles with short or non-existing wicks. Each session opens at the similar price to the previous day, but selling pressure pushes the price lower and lower with each close. Traders interpret the pattern as the start of a bearish downtrend, as the sellers have overtaken the buyers during 3 successive trading days. So this one is a dark cloud cover. The dark cloud cover candlestick pattern indicates a bearish reversal, a black cloud over the previous day's optimism. It comprises 2 candlesticks, a red candlestick which opens above the previous green body and closes below its midpoint. It signals that the bears have taken over the session, pushing the price sharply lower. If the wicks of the candle are short, it suggests that the downtrend was extremely decisive. Now coming to the next segment of the video, it is 4 continuation candlestick patterns. If a candlestick pattern doesn't indicate a change in the market direction, it is what is known as continuous pattern. This can help traders to identify a period of rest in the market when there is market indecisions or neutral price movements. Now, this particular candlestick is known as doji. When a market's opening and closing are almost at the same price point, the candlestick resembles a cross or plus sign. Traders should look out for a short to non-existing body with wicks of varying length. This doji's pattern conveys a struggle between buyers and sellers that result in no net gain for either side. Alone, a doji is neutral sign, but it can be found in reversal patterns such as a bullish morning star or a bearish evening star. Now, this particular candlestick is a spinning top. The spinning top candlestick pattern has a short body centered between wicks of equal length. The pattern indicates indecision in the market, resulting in no meaningful change in price. The bulls send the price higher while the bears push it low again. Spinning tops are often interpreted as a period of consolidation or rest following a significant uptrend or downtrend. On its own, the spinning top is a relative beginning signal, but they can be interpreted as a sign of things to come, as it signifies that the current market pressure is losing control. Now, this particular candlestick is a falling three method. Three method formation patterns are used to predict the continuation of a current trend, be it bearish or bullish. The bearish pattern is called the falling three methods. It is formed of a long red body followed by three small green bodies and another red body. The green candles are all contained within the range of the bearish bodies. It shows traders that the bulls do not have enough strength to reverse the trend. Now, this is last but not the least candlestick, rising three methods. The opposite is true for the bullish pattern called the rising three methods candlestick pattern. It comprises of three short reds sandwiched within the range of two long greens. The pattern shows traders that despite some selling pressure, buyers are retaining control of the market. Now, sadly, the video ends here, and if you like the video, press the like button, comment, share the video, and for more such videos, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and thank you for watching till the end. Thank you, guys.